Hello, we are going to be making cereal today. And we're going to start with some ingredients that you will need, and I will start the steps afterwards. Now, for the ingredients, first thing you want is cereal. See, I got Crave cereal here. You can use any kind of cereal as long as it says cereal. Next, you need a bowl. One of these bowl-shaped things that can hold liquids and what's that? And yeah, then you need a spoon. Spoon is preferred over a fork or a knife. That is since the spoon scoops stuff with it. As you don't need to fork things in there, and yeah. You can use a fork, it's just really inefficient for getting the milk and the cereal. And next is the milk. See, I got 2% here, but you can use 0%. I don't recommend 0%. 1%, again, don't recommend. Then there's 2 and there's 3. 3 is better than 2, but 3 is expensive. And that's pretty much what you need for cereal. You can add some sugar if you want, but if you do that, it's an easy way to get diabetes. And I guess we can start making the cereal. First, you want to open the cereal. If it's pre-opened, you just gotta open the flaps. Expand all the flaps so it's easy to get the bag out. Push the box over there. Get the bag in a good position to start pouring the cereal. Then you start dumping this. I'll get a good angle for you guys. You start pouring the cereal until the bowl is pretty much full, or until you run out of cereal. In this case, I just ran out of cereal. And in that case, if this bag is empty, just toss it in the garbage. You could burn it if you want, but it's just easier to toss in the garbage. You can burn the garbage later if you want, but UPS says, no, you can't do that, but I say go ahead. Say no to the feds. Now you want to pour your milk in. This is a crucial step because people do this differently, but I do it this way because it fits my needs. You just want to pour the milk in. Just sear it all over the cereal while you're pouring it in. See, a lot of people think it's just a simple craft. You just pour, dump it in, and call it good. But if you just do it willy-nilly, then how are you going to get the cereal on the top of the cereal, or milk on top of the cereal? Afterwards, you need to mix it and whatnot. Now, I usually do this much of the bowl. I don't think I can get a good angle with it without spilling, but yeah, a good chunk of the bowl. And that's pretty much it to the cereal. If you want to eat the cereal, and you just scoop the cereal out. Now you got some cereal, milky cereal on your spoon. That's why you said don't use a fork, because a fork would just, in this case, it would probably not do too terrible, but it would fall off the sides. And knife, if you use a knife, may as well use 2 knives, and you got chopsticks. Basically, this is how you eat cereal. You take the spoon, put the spoon in your mouth. And you crunch it down with your teeth. Which is usually better with, it's easier to crunch the cereal down with softer cereals, as opposed to thicker or stiffer cereals where if you just do that, if you just start crunching, then it'll hurt the teeth. But aside from that, that is how you make cereal safely.